of a media holdings AMH publisher Trevor Ncube reflects on the persecution of journalists like Blessing Mhlanga in Faith Zava from his stable. Sarabina mashoko ationa kuti aiwa Trevor Ncube odzama kutsanangurira aiwa nekushowa the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa zvayakaita zvakanaka zvinori kwanzi zvinosapota mutungamiri wenyika panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi izi journalists vakaita sana Blessing Mhlanga naFaith Zava panguva ine vari kuoneswa chimoto aiwa neZANU-PF. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pa hendo ye nehanda inoposta post yaTrevor Ncube yamuri kuona atanga posta this picture amuri kuona rakanzi Mugabe out in weeks Mnangagwa. Panapa anobva kuda nyora achiti when President Mnangagwa was running away from Robert Mugabe, the usually pliant state media refused to report on his predicament. Newsday Zimbabwe continued its coverage of the man who had refused to give them an interview only a few weeks earlier under the pretext, "We don't talk to opposition press." Mnangagwa's statement from exile was prominently covered by the Alpha Media holding stable, the same media house now being hounded for allegedly undermining the authority of or insulting the president. When the Alpha Media holding management team made a cortex on Mnangagwa at his Monomotapa offices, we reminded him of the risk the team took to report on his escape from Mugabe and impressed on him that this was only possible in an environment with media plurality. An independent media is the lifeblood of any democracy and is pivotal to undergirding a prosperous economy and society. Tomashoko arobuda panapa aiwa chinokonzwa naTrevor Ncube ari kuzama kuvaratidza kuti aiwa takakuitirai zvakanaka aiwa panawo aiwa etiorize ende vakanyasa kutora the risk aiwa vachipublisha about it Mnangagwa's escape. Vari panguva ino kunokonzi majournalists ake ava kusafa panguva ino vachipiwa ma-allegations ekunzi vari kuundermine the authority of or insulting the president. Comment section medu muzimavhuro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chota on the bell icon.